Alright, welcome everybody. As you can see, I got my paint, and I did want to show y'all, they do give you options on the painting. They do say to do it before you assemble it, but they give you the instructions on how to do like a clean R2, a Dagobah R2, a R2-Q5, or an R4-P17. And like I say, I guess you could do it any way you desire to. It's all said and done. There's more of that book. But anyway, there's that. And like I say, I got an old piece of wood from another set just so I could sort of test the paint. Just see how it goes. I was expecting to be more of a clicker on that. I guess not. But I think, and these, yeah. I think I want to use the well, that went straight in real quick. That's good. Dip in. Come on. A little bit more. Alright. There's some red. Looks like it's pretty good coverage. And that was the tip was nice and sharp on that, so that's good. Now white, I'm not sure I'm going to get as good a coverage on it. Let's find out though. That over here. Alright, and white. Oh yeah. Pretty good coverage with the white too, so that's good to know. Since that's most of him. I do have a backup if that one wasn't actually already in the right place. I do have a backup set up if the silver isn't. I got some markers that I know do good, but like I say, since I've got this with the sharp edge on it, I think I'm going to see how it goes. Okay, there it goes. A little bit slower. Come on. I'm going to do the time lapse on this. Okay, now we got some silver going. Oh yeah. Yeah, we're getting some good coverage there. That's alright, and blue, get all the oops. There we go again, forgetting. Let's see how you go. Right, you flow right out. Yeah, and then it just stopped. Okay, there it goes. This isn't exactly the right color blue for R2, but I think it'll work. Yeah. All right. And so I think that'll be close enough. I could. It looks like it went on pretty thick, so I don't think I was thinking maybe I'd put some black down, then put the blue on top of it to make it right, but I don't want to get too cutesy with something I'm not real familiar with. Okay. That being said, it does, oh, I was also going to share, it gives you some tips on decorating R2. It says, oops, basically, start with the white and go around the edges so you can let it dry, and then it seems like pretty much common sense in this. Okay, I don't know if y'all can see it, but at this angle the light's hitting it just right where I can really see the details. It may not show up for y'all, but okay, with that being said, I'm going to swap over to the time lapse and hope that I haven't just been I'm hoping this is all in frame. But like I said, I'll swap over to time lapse and let y'all watch me paint, or try and paint, and see how it goes. Okay, so a quick update. I just looked at the footage and I was a little bit aggressive on my time lapse, and I had a bad angle, so you get a big chunk of my noggin through most of the time lapse, but that's only like 9 seconds because of the aggressive setting on the time lapse. So I'm going to redo my settings and continue from there. Okay, after watching that footage, apparently it's impossible for me to not get my head in the shot, and still too aggressive with the time lapse thing, so slow it down even more and try a different camera angle. So let's see how this one works, right? Okay, I think that takes care of all the painting. I didn't have a good shot of the, let me get my poking stick, the side-on view, so I just guessed that these things here were blue. And like I say, I'm not, in person, I don't know how it's going to look on camera, but in person this blue is a little bit too light and bright for R2, but it was the closest I had. And I say, I'm sure I took some liberties and shortcuts, and oops, I just realized I forgot. There's a little bit of blue right there on that. Do that right quick. All right, and there may be some more paint. These have details on them on these two, and I'm not sure what they're. Maybe they're part of the foot. I'm not sure, but I may end up painting these too. But anyway, that's where we're at so far. Once I stitch all this together, I'll see how long it is, and we'll go from there as to whether or not I'm done. But just in case I am, thanks for watching, everybody. Like, subscribe, comment, complain, share, do whatever you want to with all that. Be good to one another, and I'll see you next time. Bye.